Twain had said that all good things come to those who wait. And we know that trusted and time-tested brands go an extra mile to bring the best to you. Tata, the brand India knows since 1868. With presence across all key sectors, known for going beyond the expected. Helping the society at large and serving the people of India. Thus becoming the most trusted brand in the country. Today, continuing with its deep commitment towards serving the people, Tata AIG, a joint venture between the House of Tatas and AIG, a leading global insurance and financial services company, brings to you the much-awaited health insurance product, Tata AIG's Medi-Prime. The health insurance industry in India is the fastest growing sector in the general insurance space. According to IRDA and McKinsey reports, the health insurance industry was standing on a healthy figure of 11,000 crore in 2011. But this appears to be small compared to the projected premium for 2016, which is expected to reach a whopping 30,000 crore. This presents a huge opportunity waiting to be seized. And Medi-Prime is the perfect weapon for it. Let us take a closer look at the product to understand the Medi-Prime plan options. Sum insured ranging from 2 lakh to 10 lakh. Individual plan where 4 adults and 3 children can be covered in a single policy. Floater plan where 2 adults and 3 children can be covered under a single policy. So, what makes Medi-Prime a winning health insurance product? Unparalleled cashless inpatient treatment without sub-limits or co-pay that covers room rent, boarding expenses, nursing, ICU charges, medical practitioner fees, anesthesia charges, blood, oxygen, operation theatre charges, surgical appliances, medicines and consumables, diagnostic procedures, cost of prosthetic and other devices or equipment on internal implantation. Unique pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization expenses that cover medical expenses incurred up to 60 days before insured's hospitalization and up to the last 90 days after hospitalization. What makes this product any different from the other players in the market? Medi-Prime stands out with benefits like no sub-limits, no co-pay, renewal for whole life and more. Medical expenses for organ harvesting and donor surgery are covered. 140-day care procedures, inpatient treatment under Ayurvedic, Unani, Siddhi and homeopathy. Medical expenses for vaccination, for post-bite treatment, etc. Accidental dental expenses. Daily cash for accompanying child for more than 72 hours hospitalization. Ambulance charges, etc. One simple step, Medi-Prime. Medi-Prime also comes with renewal benefits, including no claims loading or co-pay at the time of renewal, no claim bonus for every claim-free year, sum insured enhancement without any medicals, health checkup up to 1% of the sum insured per policy or rupees 5,000 per insured. MediPrime is ideal for senior citizens who can enter up to the age of 65 years and can renew for life thereafter. Senior leadership at Tata AIG are upbeat about the game-changing product, MediPrime.
Well, finally, we have the product that we've been waiting for a very long time. We have the MediPrime. Now, what is MediPrime? Well, MediPrime is what every one of you and all our customers have been asking for a long time. It is the generic medical insurance indemnity product, akin to a Mediclaim, but definitely much better. So the MediPrime product, which is being launched today, is one of the key products in our strategy to have a full product offering for our customers for all their individual needs. So finally, the medical reimbursement product of Tata AIG General Insurance is here. It is called MediPrime, and it is the prime product in the market, and that is why it is called MediPrime. Well, MediPrime is really a product that fits right into the company's strategy of increasing the consumer business of the company. As you would know that medical insurance is one of the fastest growing segments of the general insurance industry in India. And more than 25% of the general insurance market today is comprising of medical insurance products. And most of this market, or I would say almost 95 to 99% of this market, is really medical reimbursement product. And this is one product that we were lacking. And as part of our 5-year strategic vision to make the company more consumer focused, I think we need to add this product now, and we have this product ready to roll in the market today. And for Tata AIG, I think this will be one of the winning strategies because the name of the Tata Group is synonymous with trust, and medical insurance is really sold on trust. An excellent product backed with an excellent service. So go for it. The MediPrime is here.
In terms of positioning, I'd like to really answer it in two ways. One is the internal positioning. For long, we as a company have missed one key, if I may say, key weapon in our armory, and that was the health product. So from a standpoint of internal positioning, I would say we are plugging the gap. In terms of the external positioning, I would say that this is a product which comes from perhaps one of the most respected names in the industry, and I think that was the requirement in the marketplace. So we bring in a great product requirement to the marketplace, backed by perhaps the most trusted name in the marketplace. So that's a great delight for us. We have obviously chosen to make sure that we get all the right benefits for our customers. We did a public survey before this launch, and then we made sure that we've got some key attributes of products built into it. For instance, there are no copay in this, or for that matter, any sublimits in this product. So this makes it so convenient for the customer. So it's a hassle-free product, very, very simple to understand for the customer. And that's the positioning we'd like to keep for this product, coming from the best or the most trusted brand name in the marketplace.
MediPrime has many unique features, but what stands out for me is the brand and the credibility we have built in the market over the past 11 years. Let's not forget, Hindustan Times in one of its consumer surveys found us the best service provider in health, even when we had no medical insurance in our kitty.
MediPrime will be Tata AIG's first health indemnity product for the mass market. For our customers, for our producers, for our partners, there was this gap which MediPrime will help fulfill in our extensive range of general insurance products. MediPrime, with its no copay, no sublimits, no claims loading, will create a unique foundation for our company's future growth in this health space.
MediPrime is the game changer for the company. Tata AIG, working for 10 years, we were not covering an area which is the most growth-oriented area in the general insurance market, and the MediPrime has come as a boon to us. It will make the real change in our growth strategies, And the year 2012-13 will be the year of MediPrime.
MediPrime, to start with, is a long-awaited product which fills a very prominent hole in our portfolio as of right now. So it makes it for a more complete product portfolio. It also comes with some outstanding features. So I think the top 3 features, which I call the 3 no's of the product, which is no copay, no sublimits, and no loading on renewal. I think these are the 3 most outstanding features of this product.
So, I've been in this company for 11 years now, and there have been many product launches that we've done. But let me assure you of one thing, the amount of time and effort that's gone in by the various teams in making sure that we are 100% ready for this product by the launch date is something that I've not seen before. Whether it is the PDQ team, whether it's the ops team, whether it's the PC itself, the product team, whether it is the claims team. I don't really want to single out by naming some of these teams, but really cutting across the organization, we've got support from every single group of people here, and I'm absolutely certain that in MediPrime we now have a product which is ready to go.
Uh, 11 years back when we started our operations, a trained claims team was in place even before we sold our first policy. MediPrime is no different. Team is in place, well versed in handling medical insurance claims, including qualified doctors. We have been working with the underwriters from day one. We have been interacting with the selected TPA. I must again say one of the best in the market. We have visited their facilities, they have seen our system, so we know their capabilities, the systems are in place. Our team is also trained in TPA handling, TPA audit. So yes, we are raring to go.
MediPrime is a great product and it has very extremely competitive pricing. More than that, it's extremely important that we get the customer service delivery in place. For that, we have a strong underwriting team led by Dr. Asha, where we can confirm underwriting decisions in less than 24 hours. Also, we are partnered with Paramount for pre-policy check and FHPL for claim settlement. In case of claims, we will have pre-authorization confirmation in less than 4 hours and settlement of claims in 7 working days.
MediPrime is a product which we are looking for so many years. Right from the start of the company, for 10 years, we have nothing to show to the market about our health products. Coming of MediPrime has made a dream come reality, and my distribution team as well as the branches are looking forward to make it a success.
MediPrime as a product is right up agency's alley, and you can be sure that we are going to go all out to make sure that MediPrime is going to be a huge success. Over the last 2 years, we spent a lot of time broad basing our network, and I'm quite sure that we're going to find a lot of agents coming to the party and making MediPrime a huge success.
Everybody is looking towards this product, and that's why they spent last 3 months sleepless nights to make it a success. Entire team has been taught about the product, entire team knows how to sell it, particularly the branch distribution and branch sales team is fully geared to make it a success.
The ultimate game changer, MediPrime and you.
You.
MediPrime, a product so promising that Tata AIG is pulling all stops and backing this strongly. Industry recognized claim settlement process, massive sales support, robust operational processes being deployed, extensive market research and customer feedback, a large integrated marketing launch campaign, special training program for partners to know the product better. All this from the most trusted brand of the nation. The wait is finally over. Tata AIG MediPrime and you, partnering to make Tata AIG the most preferred health insurance provider.